So let's talk about the F2B visa category, specifically for adult unmarried children of green card holders, lawful permanent residents. When will this category finally advance forward, and why is it stuck for so many years? If you're interested in this topic, I'll see you on the other side. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Immigration Channel. This is where we explain complex immigration matters in short, simple videos. We make immigration easy. And in this video, I'll explain the F2B category, specifically for unmarried adult children of legal permanent residents. Why is this category so behind? Why is it stuck? What to expect in the next few months? I'm going to talk about all this, all the predictions I can. But before we do that, if you're here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. As always, if you need help with your immigration matter, send me a text at 619-483-4549 and go to www.immigrationasap.com. If you can't text, drop your information on that website and we'll be able to help you no matter where you are in the world. So let's talk about the F2B visa bulletin category, specifically for unmarried adult children of legal permanent residents. Why is F2B category so much behind and stuck at this cutoff date? The reason is because, as I mentioned before, every visa category has a limit on how many visas they can issue every year for each country of birth. So if you're born anywhere in the world outside of China, India, Mexico, and the Philippines, you'll see your priority date on the visa bulletin on the rest of the world. All the other countries have their own priority date. Now, the reason why they're behind for the rest of the world and those countries is because the demand for these visas, for the F2B visas, exceeds the supply they have every single year. This is the simple truth, and this is why it's happening. This category, F2B, has a certain amount of visas that can be issued every year, nothing more. And if they exceed this demand, they're not able to issue visas, and as a result, they're stuck. They are stuck at a certain date until they catch up. The F2 category, both F2A and F2B, consists of 114,000 visas. That's it. That's what they have for both F2A and F2B. F2A gets 79,420 visas, and F2B gets 34,260 visas every single year. You can see that's not a lot if you're talking about the rest of the world and countries like India, China, and the Philippines. That's why if you only have 34,000 visas to allocate every year, you will have a backlog. Now, let's explain a little bit what is this F2B category. F2B category is reserved for unmarried children, adults of legal permanent resident, green card holders. If you are married, you won't qualify for this category. Simple as that. If you get married through this process, you're out. So the simple requirements for the F2B is simple. You must be a child of a green card holder. You must be over the age of 21, and you must be unmarried. That's it. If you meet these requirements, you will qualify for the F2B. Typically, a green card holder will file Form I-130 with USCIS. After a few years, form will be approved and the case will be sent to the National Visa Center. And at that point, you'll be waiting for your priority date on the visa bulletin to become current. Once your date is current, you'll be able to proceed and get a green card. Because we have such a low amount of visas per year, applicants must sit and wait until their dates become current. It doesn't matter that your document is complete. What matters is when your priority date becomes current. So if you're going to ask this question, how long is it going to take for the F2B to become current in 2024? It's impossible to answer that question. What we know is that NVC backlog is being reduced every single month. What we know is that there's some legislation that will allow unused visas to be used in some of these different categories. Those are some of the things the State Department can do to improve and make these categories a little bit faster. They could pass legislation to increase the cap from 34,000, maybe double it, right? So there are many things they can do. Are they going to do it in 2024? I don't know. What I can tell you is that processing of F2B categories will continue to go a little bit faster as we go through past spring of 2024. You already see that the NVC backlog reduction is going down 4-5% every month. That's not bad. So by the time we get to the end of the year, you will see definitely a movement in the F2B category. Is it going to be a big movement? No. Is it going to be a modest movement? Yes. It will be a movement. It's better than nothing. Remember, it is important for you to understand how it works, because these visa numbers are not coming from a dream. They're coming from legislation, and there's a set number of visas that can be issued every year. And that's why F2B category is taking so long. But I would suggest for you to stay optimistic, because we can only move forward from now on. Based on my predictions, that by the time we get to August of 2024, you will see a faster movement in the F2B category as well. For now, keep watching my videos, keep sharing them with friends and family, and as always, if you need help with your immigration matters, send me a text 619-483-4549 or log into www.immigrationasap.com. Put your information in there and one of our team members will contact you ASAP. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.